Market top and bottom indicator, does it really exist? By doing an in-depth study of S&P 500 history, we see how the past teaches the future. Welcome back to STA Club. In this video, I want to talk about three things. What is market breadth, how it relates to S&P 500, and what's next. Let's begin. So what is market breadth? Market breadth tells us how many stocks are involved in a given move in an index. An index may be rising, yet more than half the stocks in the index are falling, because a small number of stocks have such large gains that they drag the whole index higher. How is this useful to traders? If index is rising and more than half the stocks are falling, this means the up move may not be sustainable. There are many market breadth indicators, and I'd like to share one with you today. It is the S&P stocks that are above its 50-day moving average. S5FI is the ticker symbol, and I'll use this term throughout this video. Using Google as an example, notice how price moves relative to its 50-day moving average. At any one time, price will either be above or below the moving average. If all 500 stocks in S&P 500 is above, then it tells of extreme bullishness, and like a rubber band, it will eventually become less bullish. Number two, let's see how S5FI relates to the S&P 500. I have 5 examples over the past 1 year where S5FI is above 80 or below 25. When S5FI is below 25, this means only 25% of the stocks are above their 50-day moving average. This could be a sign that the market is oversold. Marrying this knowledge with price action, you can start to manage your short trades or be ready to go long. On 10th of March, 3rd October, and 27th of October, prices came down and S5FI is below 25. This allows us as prudent traders to be ready to long the S&P 500. See how prices move up after the S5FI gave us a heads up. The same concept applies when S5FI goes above 80. On 27 July and 1st of December, after S5FI went above 80, price starts to retrace or move sideways. So what can we do with this information? S5FI gives us a red flag to adding more positions. In fact, it will be prudent to move your stop losses up or take some profits at these points. Do note that prices does not retrace immediately upon overbought or oversold signals on S5FI. It must be married with price action. To learn about price action, you can watch our videos on candlesticks and other chart analysis videos we have created. See you soon.